What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q, baby, and I'm back with another video, man. Sorry I sound funny, man. I went to the dentist today. My teeth kind of hurting. But anyway, you see red behind me, man. So we got something going today. You read the title of the video, of course. So you already know what we're doing. But before we get started, I do need to run to Harbor Freight really quick to get something for my drill to help me do what we need to do, which is some new tail lights for the truck. I'm excited to show y'all these. Hopefully you like them. I'm not sure how I feel about them just yet. We'll see. I haven't seen too many people running these. I've seen like 1 or 2 people online I've seen video of or pictures of running. So it'll be something different. This is my first video since I reached 1,000 subs, man. So thank you all for coming to kick it with your boy, man. I mean, I'm excited for that. I mean, if you've been around the channel for a long time, I know some of you all have. I mean, we now at 1,000, almost 1,100 now to this point, man. So we just steady growing and glowing. That's what I'm gonna say. But I do want to say something real quick. Actually, you know what? Let me hop in the truck really quick. It's a little hot out here and loud. Guys, so we are in the truck now, man. Real quick about hitting 1,000 subscribers and things like that. You probably now seeing some ads on some of my videos. Now I want to make a quick point. I mean, just a quick overview really quick about the ads and stuff. And it's just something I didn't know until I'm now monetized. One, that when I used to watch YouTube videos and I used to see like 1 million ads on YouTubers videos, I was like, oh my God, okay, this guy being greedy or this lady's being greedy. You know, like, why are you putting so many ads on your videos? And I always looked at that like, you know, people out there chasing money, which is fine. YouTube is a hustle and some people make a living off YouTube, and I get it. Now I know that, one, YouTube does give you permission to place ads on your video. So I can go into any of my videos now that are monetized and place ads on those videos, right? I can choose where I want the ad to be, what time they break for an ad, before, after, any way I want, and I can put as many as I want, right? The other option is you allow YouTube to automatically do it for you, which is what I do. And it's way more convenient that way, because once you upload your video and make it go public, all that, you would literally have to go to each video and put where you want the ad. It may not seem like that a lot of work, but I just find it more, it's just easier to let YouTube do it. So of course, what YouTube is gonna do, they're gonna put as many ads as they can on your video, especially though it's getting a lot of views, because it's more revenue to them. So if you see my videos, guys, and you see like a whole bunch of yellow line breaks, I seen one of my other videos, it had like 10 line breaks on there. So I'm like, bro, I did not put that many ads on there, but I let YouTube do it automatically. So if you see some of those videos, all those ad breaks on there, that is not me, that is YouTube. It makes sense for them to do so. But just keep that in mind. On my channel and on other channels, some people do add ads. I'm pretty sure they let YouTube just automatically place them where they want them, and YouTube puts a lot of ads on some videos, again, especially those that get high views. So I just want to throw that out there really quick, for just in case people don't think I'm just putting a whole bunch of ads on my videos. I'm not, you know. But anyway, man, let's head over to Harbor Freight, grab this tool, and I'll see y'all in a bit. What's up, guys? And just like that, we are back at the truck, man. I'm back from Harbor Freight, got what I needed. So I went here and got everything set up, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. Y'all ready for this? Ready? 1, 2. If I go on 2, I beat you. There they go, man. So this is what we got. We got some new tail lights. As you can see here, this is the design. Like I said, I'm not sure how I feel about it, man. It's a very busy design, but it has a brake light strip here. I don't know if that's just sure if that's reflective, a brake light there. And then you have 3 lights here, and I'll show y'all here when it's done. I wanted to go with something black, just so y'all did not know. I did try to tint my tail lights. That video never made it because it was terrible. Me and my homeboy Jeremy tried it. But it was like, it would have been like a 3-minute video how we didn't do it. So I was like, whatever. Because my whole truck is black and red themed almost. And one day I just came out and I saw my truck from the back, and it just looked plain, like plain. And so I was like, you know, I need to fix the back of my truck. Like, it just looks plain. Besides the F150 logo I did, actually I did the other F150 logo. I'll show y'all here in a second when I'm done. So that's why I went and got some new tail lights here, man. Hopefully they will look good on. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. And a backstory on these real quick. When I ordered these, this is my second set. I ordered the first set. They came and one was cracked. And I'll put some pictures right there so you can see it. So I reached out to the company and said, hey, you know, I just got my shipment, but one of the products was cracked. They said, okay, hey, you know, no problem. Send us some pictures. Send them pictures. Lo and behold, they was like, so the way these are sold, we can't sell you just a single pair. Like, crap, they about to try to screw me out my money. They're like, but we're gonna send you a brand new set. Don't worry about sending the old set back, because they like, you can just keep it. I was like, really? You know, so price of these were like 200 and something bucks. Not sure. I'll tag it in the description down there so y'all can see it if you're interested in getting these. Yeah, I got an extra set of these just sitting around. So that may be a video for a giveaway. I'm not sure yet. I am gonna do a 1,000 sub giveaway. So that may be what it is. It's gonna be cracked. I'm sorry if I do decide to give it away, but these are legal. That title, if I title the video, is illegal. It's not clickbait. I'm gonna show you why. They clearly put on the box right here, warning. These are not street legal for showroom or off-road use only. Opening this package constitutes consent to the following terms, and it goes over everything, and I just slowly go down so y'all can read it yourself if you want to pause the video and read it. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. So these are illegal. So if I get a ticket on them, hey, well, you know, we'll see. Hopefully I like them. If not, I'm just gonna take them off and just put my stock one back on. But anyway, let me show y'all how they look on the back end. They are plug and play, which means you just plug in here. Just plug them in here to your already manufactured ports. They do come with a resistor or something like that, something like a resistor. And on this one, they already have it stuck down. On this one, they do not. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like out the package. So it's gonna look like this. It's hanging with 3M tape on the back. So you just unpeel this and just stick it here, which is what I'm gonna do, like they have that one there. And I believe this is a resistor, something like that, not 100% sure. Don't quote. Well, I'm gonna drop my GoPro again. We're gonna go ahead and install this again. This is plug and play, guys. I'm not gonna show you that. I did another video when I swapped out my reverse light LEDs. I'll put that across the card here in the description so you can see how I did that. But you just unscrew these 2 screws on each side. If you have the DZ tailgate assist, I did a video on that too. You have to get us like a screwdriver, flathead, sorry, and kind of pull this spring back. This is a spring here. Pull it back and pop this off in order to get this out, because you can't get to this bolt here without getting this off. So it's probably gonna take me about 20 minutes or so. For y'all, it'll probably seem like 2 seconds. So see y'all here in a second. Really quick, guys, I just want to show y'all something real quick. So when I say plug and play, I just realized you have to take this whole thing off because this matches into here. So you have to completely remove this thing here from your headlight unit. I mean, from your tail light unit. So you just basically, what I did, just took a flathead screwdriver, stuck it in a little clamp thing right here. See that little notch there? Just stick this screwdriver underneath this end here, lift it up, and it pulls straight off. Super easy. All right, guys, so I just looked at it, man. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I had to get a second opinion. I already see one thing I don't like. Actually, 2 things that I don't like about it. And here it is, boom. So that's how it looks. It's super bright. Really, when I unlock it, you can see it's super bright. I mean, it's a fierce look. I gotta see it with the whole truck. I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's too much black, I think. Right here, seems like it's just too much black. Like just a lot of black space right there, as with the whole truck. Yeah, I don't know. So anyway, but that's what it looks like. Both sides. It was super easy to put in. Both sides are working. So this apparently just a reflector here. What I don't like, look how far out it sits from the body of the truck. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Look at that. So here's the body of the truck, and it sits out a good ½ an inch from the truck. You can see. So that's one thing I don't like. It's, again, it's not flushed. 2, it's not a really perfect fit. As you can see here, there's some space here that was left. It's like that on both sides as well. See here, like a space. Not sure how I feel about that. But let's see how the reverse light look really quick. Let's check it out and see. So that's how it looks with the reverse lights. All 3 lights are on. I know this kind of looks orange to y'all in the camera, but it's not, it's all red. I don't know. It's just, to me, for some reason, there's just too much black right here. It's just very black and plain. Like, you got all this going here, but then here there's nothing. So, and it just, I don't know how it looks with the whole look of the truck. So yeah, comment below what you think. I mean, from this angle, it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good from this angle. It's just from that side profile here, that's what I don't like. From that angle, don't look bad either. Let's see from the front. So that's from the front. And plus red is dirty. Yeah, I don't know, man. Just a lot of black. I'm the type of person, stuff has to grow on me. I'm not like usually jump in and think stuff look good. Usually has to grow on me before I like it. Same thing happened with the grill. I didn't like it when I first put it on. So anyway, I know this did fall off. I do need that. So that's how it looks. That's how she sits. That's how it's gonna look. You can see that one more time for y'all. Again, this angle looks bad. I love this angle here. Love it. It's just that side profile. Maybe a giveaway for one of those. Not sure exactly yet what I want to do. Let y'all know, keep y'all posted. Another thing I did to the back that I didn't show y'all was here. You can see that this is now red and black. This is actually not a new emblem. This is a sticker. So it's a red and black sticker that goes over your Ford sticker. I got two, and I actually just stuck it on there, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't even try. I literally just stuck it on there, and it actually stuck pretty good. I'll paste that below in the link in the description where I got that from. I got this off of eBay. I didn't feel like replacing the whole emblem. I actually almost left the blue. I did kind of like the blue. It was a different touch. So yeah, you just get a sticker and put it on here, and it just overlays on your Ford emblem. Now my back end with this does look a little better. You know, you kind of see the contrast here. It looks decent. Just don't know how I feel about the lights, man. Yeah, I mean, there was another set on there I saw that I liked too, but I didn't really see too many people with these, and I thought it'd be cool to have them. Nobody does, but they just sit out pretty wide from the truck, man. But anyway, we'll see. I'll probably try to come back out and get a nighttime shot of it to see what it looks like at nighttime. I don't know, it's just too much black right there, man. Dang, it's really killing it. Really, really killing it. I do have some other stuff coming. For one, it's definitely gonna be new tires for sure. You can see these are kind of, they're probably, I'm not sure how much they're left on, to be honest with you. But I have been tire shopping. I think I know the brand and what I'm gonna get already. I'm just waiting to order them actually, and just trying to run these down as much as I can before I order them. Excuse me. I went to the dentist, guys. My teeth just kind of bugging me. We'll leave this on, see how I like it. I just think it looks kind of cartoonish, but maybe I need to see it at nighttime. All right, guys, so it is now nighttime, so I want to show y'all the lights here really quick. And this is how they look at nighttime. Can't really tell because I'm still in light, but actually at nighttime it looks way better than what I thought. Here, let's go ahead and put the reverse lights on really quick and see what it looks like. This is them at nighttime with the reverse lights. It looks good at nighttime. It looks really good, to be honest with you. Very different look than what you normally see. Get that shot for you. Distance there. Can you tell? So yeah, I think it looks pretty good at nighttime. The reverse light is very, very bright. On hazard. This is turn signal here. I mean, they're very bright for sure. So I don't know why they wouldn't be, why they're illegal, but they're very bright. And they both do blink as well at nighttime. You can see. Hope y'all see it. That's how it looks. Again, let me know your thoughts.